Alright, we're back. This will be a box 2 of the 2-box break. Took a couple minutes there for me to clean up my small mess, but we got 601 on Sunday, March 4th. So moving on to box 2, we got 5 hits in the first box. So if my trend is correct, hopefully we will have 6 hits on this box. That'd only be fair, right? Empty box. And here we go. Congratulations and good luck to everyone. Mike Thomas, Jags, Eagles, LaShawn McCoy, Chargers draft class. We have Vincent Brown, Jordan Todman, non-serial numbered. Titans, Chris Johnson, Frank Gore, 49ers. I can get a golden ticket, that'd be nice. Greg Jennings with the Packers. Matt Schaub, Texans. Donovan McNabb with the Eagles. Non-serial numbered. Patriots, Deion Branch. Matt Forte with the Bears. For the Ravens, Ray Rice. Adrian Peterson with the Vikings. Alright, our first hit of this box is going to be for the Lions, Mikel LeSure on-card autograph. Nice looking card there for the Lions, picked up by Carl. Congratulations to you. Our first on-card autograph. Moving on to the Patriots, Wes Welker and Javid Best with the Lions. For the Bucks, Josh Freeman, Matt Castle with the Chiefs. Legendary Contenders card, Fred Villanov of the Raiders, non-serial numbered. Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger, John Beeson with the Panthers. Mikel LeSure, Jake Locker, nice cards. Bills, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Michael Vick with the Eagles. Rookie roll call for Christian Ponder with the Vikings, non-serial numbered. For the Titans, Matt Hasselbeck. Seahawks, Marshawn Lynch. Saints, Marquis Colston. Broncos, Willis McGee. Ahmad Black, second hit. For the Buccaneers, Ahmad Black, safety for the Buccaneers, sticker autograph. Buccaneers went to Brandon. Congratulations, Brandon. Nice looking card. Puts us at 1 sticker and 1 on card. Miles Austin with the Cowboys. Mark Sanchez with the Jets. Rams, Danny Amendola. Giants, Keem Nicks. Broncos, draft class, Ramin Moore and Von Miller. I haven't seen many of those, 2 in the last 2 boxes. Maurice Jones-Drew for the Jaguars. Larry Fitzgerald for the Cards. Peyton Manning with the Colts. Mike Williams, the Buccaneers. Rookie of the Year contenders, Von Miller. So another Von Miller card for the Broncos. Non-serial numbered. Steelers, Shard Mendenhall. And for the Saints, Drew Brees. Hopefully we got 4 more to go. That's just the average that I've been holding so far. Anquan Bolden for the Ravens. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Shane Vereen, on-card autograph for the Patriots. So on-card autograph, Shane Vereen, running back for the Patriots. Patriots went to William So congratulations, William. Nice looking card there. Congrats. Philip Rivers, Chargers. Shadow Sochinko with Patriots. So far, we've had 2 on card, 1 sticker. So at the very least, 1 more sticker autograph coming our way. Carson Palmer with the Raiders. Brandon Marshall with the Dolphins. Santana Moss with the Redskins. Chiefs, Kyle Orton. Seahawks, Tavares Jackson. Lee Evans, Ravens. Jermichael Finley, Packers. Rookie roll call for the Giants, Prince Amakimara, non-serial numbered. Cowboys, Des Bryant. Patriots, Tom Brady. Colts, Dallas Clark. Buccaneers, LeGarrette Blount. Laquan Williams, sticker auto. Wide receiver for the Ravens. So the Ravens went to Nicholas. Congratulations, Nicholas, on a nice wide receiver rookie. Laquan Williams, sticker autograph for you. Off to the side. Calvin Johnson with the Lions. Mike Wallace, Steelers. Like I said, to keep my trend going, I'm hoping for at least another 2. Raiders, Darren McFadden. Steve Johnson with the Bills. Texans, rookie draft class, J.J. Watt and Brandon Harris. Non-serial numbered. For the Panthers, Steve Smith. Noshawn Marino, Broncos. At least we've had a couple decent hits here. That's nice. Ray Maluga for the Bengals. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Shannon Sharp for the Broncos. Super Bowl ticket. Non-serial numbered. Another Eli Manning for the Giants. And Sean Green for the Jets. D'Angelo Hall, Redskins. Cedric Benson for the Bengals. Oh, another hit coming to the Giants. So Monica, Prince Amakimara, sticker auto. There you go. Another nice card for you, Monica. Congratulations. Seahawks, Sidney Rice, and Tony Romo with the Cowboys. Still a number of packs left, so hopefully we got 1 more hiding in here. That'll be outstanding. Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. Sam Bradford with the Rams. Rookie Contenders of the Year, Greg Linnell for the Browns. Nice looking card there. Non-serial numbered. Jets, Antonio Holmes and Matt Stafford for the Lions. Giants, Mario Manningham. Joe Flacco with the Ravens. Rookie roll call, Titus Young for the Lions. And that is going to be a serial number. That's a gold. Number 21 of 100. Lions picked up by Carl. So decent card for you there with the Titus Young. 49ers, Alex Smith. Vincent Jackson with the Chargers. We're down 2, 3, 6, 7 more packs. Hoping for at least 1 more. Rams, Steven Jackson. Deshaun Jackson with the Eagles. Legendary Contenders for the Jets of Curtis Martin, non-serial numbered. Mukong Su with the Lions. Andre Johnson, Texans. 1 more auto. Gold rookie ticket, that would work. Pierre Thomas with the Saints. Jamal Charles with the Chiefs. Kyle Rudolph for the Vikings, Rookie of the Year contender, non-serial numbered. D'Angelo Williams for the Panthers. Kenny Britt for the Tennessee Titans. Bills, we got Fred Jackson. Andre Caldwell for the Bengals. And here is going to be our playoff ticket. Steven Jackson for the Rams. And that's going to be serial number 22 of 99. 22 of 99 for the Rams. Nice looking card there. So, Kathleen, another hit for you. 49ers, we got Vernon Davis and Felix Jones for the Cowboys. Michael Jenkins, Vikings. Reggie Wayne with the Colts. Mike Alstott for the Bucks. Non-serial numbered. Percy Harvin with the Vikings. Mercedes Lewis, the Jaguars. Alright, down to 3 packs, guys. Cardinals, Beanie Wells, Michael Bush for the Raiders. Legendary Contenders for the Cowboys of Bill Bates, non-serial numbered. Kevin Cole with the Cardinals. Malcolm Floyd, Chargers, 2 packs. Chad Henne with the Dolphins. Tim Hightower, Redskins. Titans, Jake Locker. Non-serial numbered. That'll go well with your autographed rookie card. Reggie Bush, the Dolphins. Jay Cutler, the Bears. Alright, last pack. Good luck, everyone. Thank you for bidding. We have Ben Watson with the Browns. Michael Turner with the Falcons. And there we go. To keep my status and keep my Shane Bannon Chiefs. Alright, so Shane Bannon, Kansas City Chiefs, going to Chris, picking those guys up. Sticker autograph for you, Shane Bannon, fullback there. Congratulations. And Colt McCoy for the Browns and Roddy White for the Falcons. So decent hits this round. Thank you for your bids. I'm going to get these all packaged up and ready to go tonight, so they will ship out tomorrow. I'm also going to do a recap for this evening, so if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, thank you, everyone. Thanks for checking out Alley Sports Cards. Thanks for bidding, and have a good evening.